I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by softening 250 g cream cheese so it blends without lumps. That's crucial for a silky texture. Next, beat 2 eggs with 80 g sugar until glossy. This builds creaminess and structure. Once done, press 200 g crushed biscuits mixed with 60 g melted butter into a 9 springform pan and chill 10 minutes to set the base. Make sure to scrape the bowl edges. Avoiding unmixed pockets prevents grainy spots later on. Now you mix at low speed to keep air minimal. Blend cream cheese, 80 g sugar, then add eggs one at a time so the emulsion stays stable. After that, incorporate 60 ml sour cream and 1 teaspoon vanilla to balance richness and add tang. If you want flavor, fold in lemon zest or 30 g melted dark chocolate gently. This preserves texture. Make sure to stop as soon as smooth. Overbeating traps air and causes cracks during baking. Transfer batter to the chilled crust and bake at 160 degrees for 50-60 minutes. The center should still jiggle slightly. That ensures a creamy set without dryness. Once done, turn off heat and cool the cake in the oven with the door ajar for 30 minutes to prevent a sudden temperature shift that cracks the surface. Then refrigerate 4+ hours. If a crack appears, don't panic. Smooth a thin sour cream glaze over it or chill longer to let the texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.